Okay, good morning, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about the problems based on the properties of the indefinite integral. Okay, now today we have discussed about the miscellaneous examples. Okay, the problem number 25, miscellaneous exercise. Integral pi by 2 pi e power x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. Okay, for suppose let this is equal to I. Now what happened this one, I is equal to, here 100% we use the formula e power x is there. That means you know that the formula e power x into f of x plus f dash of x with respect to dx, that equal answer is e power x into f of x plus c. Okay, my dear friends. Now here compulsory it will be converted into in this way. That's why that is equal to integral pi by 2 to pi. What are the limits? Pi by 2 to pi e power x into 1 minus sin x means you write as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by 1 minus cos x means you know the formula 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x by 2 dx. Now separation is going on. Integral pi by 2 to pi e power x into, separation means 1 by 2 sin square x means 1 by 2, 1 by sin square means cosecant square x by 2 minus, here 2 cancel, 1 sin cancel, cos by sin cot x by 2. My dear friends, for suppose what the here this is our f of x or this is f of x. For suppose you know that this is for suppose f of x. What is f of x? F of x is equal to for suppose minus cot x by 2. What is the derivative of cot x by 2 means for suppose f dash of x. Cot x derivative minus cosecant square x by 2. Again x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus, that is 1 by 2 cosecant square x by 2. Okay, my dear friends. Now f of x is minus cot x by 2. F dash of x is this one. This is f dash of x. Now what the formula is going on, e power x into f of x, that is equal to, now the integral of, what is the e power x means e power x, what is here f of x means minus cot x by 2, write the mine before, no problem at all, cot x by 2, limits pi by 2 to pi, actually write the minus here, no problem at all, that is equal to minus of, total independent of minus is there. Now what is going on, upper limit is pi, e power pi into cot pi by 2. Okay, my dear students, minus e power pi by 2 into cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4. What happened? Cot 90 is 0. This value is 0. Minus 0 minus e power pi by 2 into cot 45, you know that 1. That is equal to minus into minus plus e power pi by 2. My dear students, the answer will be I is equal to e power pi by 2. Okay. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. 0 to pi by 4 sin x into cos x by cos power 4x plus sin power 4x. Here clearly observe that first integration of this one. Numerator sin x into cos x is there, denominator okay, cos square x whole square or sin square x whole square. You know the formula. What is going on, for suppose cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Okay, otherwise you know the formula for d by dx of sin square x formula, you know very well. You know the formula of derivative of sin square x means sin to x. What is that one means 2 sin x cos x is there, 100%. You know very well or not? Yes. Here also sin x into cos x is there. That's why dx is equal to 100% dt by 2. Here for suppose sin square x is equal to t means cos power 4x, you write cos square x whole square, cos square x means 1 minus sin square x. Okay, we'll get easily answer. That's why let 100% what we do now, sin square x is equal to t. What is the derivative? Differentiating with respect to means this is 2 sin x square, 2x square, x square derivative 2x, sin x derivative cos x into differential dx is equal to dt. From this one you want only sin x into cos x dx means sin x into cos x dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay, now this is one substitution, my dear students. Now we are going to limits. For suppose this is x value, up lower limit means x is equal to 0. What happened? T value, t is equal to sin 0 means 0. Okay, my dear students. For suppose x value is equal to what happened? X value is equal to pi by 4. X value pi by 4 means sin 45, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square means t is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now the integral will be changes into denominator also. Once you observe that what is going on, cos power. Okay, next, no problem at all. Now here cos square x whole square x 1 minus sin square x, I is equal to integral 0 means 0, pi by 4 means 1 by 2, 0 to 1 by 2, sin x cos x dx means dt by 2, numerator dt by 2, by here cos power 4x is there. Cos power 4x means cos square x whole square, cos square x whole square, plus this is also sin square x whole square, dx already I will write this one. Okay, next 0 to 1 by 2, here dt by 2 means 1 by 2 into, okay my dear students, 1 by cos square x means 1 minus sin square x means t, 1 minus t whole square, plus here sin square x means t whole square means t square into dt. Next, this is equal to, next step, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 to 1 by 2 dt by, what happened this one, 1 minus 2t plus t square plus t square. Okay my dear friends, this is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 to 1 by 2 dt by t square plus t square, 2t square minus 2t plus 1. This is equal to, now denominator is ax square plus bx plus c type. We will write the perfect squares of the sum or difference of the two numbers of the perfect square. Now here you will take the common t. What happened? Means always the highest term is t square, coefficient is 2, we will take common. Means already 1 by 2 is there, into 2 means 1 by 4, 0 to 1 by 2 dt by, now taken common 2, here t square minus t plus 1 by 2. Next step, now we write the square, perfect squares, either sum or difference, that is equal to 1 by 4 into integral 0 to 1 by 2 dt by t square minus t plus t coefficient 1 by 2. 1 actually is there, half of the coefficient means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square, adding and subtracting, plus 1 by 2 is there already. Okay my dear friends, next we are going to the next step, that is equal to 1 by 4 integral 0 to 1 by 2 dt by first three terms, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, t minus 1 by 2 whole square, plus this is minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 must and should how much, 1 by 2. Okay my dear students, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, that is equal minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, plus 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 whole square. What is the formula? That is equal to 1 by 4 into, what the formula is going on? What the formula means here, 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by x square plus a square formula 1 by a, 1 by a value means 1 by 2, 1 by a, tan inverse of x by a, t minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. What are the limits is going on? 0 to 1 by 2 are the limits my dear students. Now this is what happened, 2 1s are 2 2s are cancelled. What happened? 1 by 2 into, now upper limit is t value is 1 by 2, substitute. What happened? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 0, tan inverse of 0 means 0, minus, per suppose you substitute the lower limit is 0, this is 0 minus 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is equal minus 1, tan inverse of minus 1, that is equal minus pi by 4. What happened my dear students? Minus into minus plus, that equal pi by 8. Therefore, that is the I value. I is equal to how much? That is pi by 8. In this way, we will do the problems. Okay, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Integral of cos square x by cos square x plus 4 sin square x dx over 0 to pi by 2. Actually, But suppose numerator denominator of the same function, equal powers are there. Equal powers means must and should, this is called improper fraction. What you substitute, whatever may be. Here sin square x also is there, cos. You will change totally either sin square x or cos square x, whatever may be. Okay. Now sin square x we write as 1 minus cos square x. After that I will explain. 0 to pi by 2 cos square x by cos square x plus 4 into, you write as this is 1 minus cos square x dx. Okay, my dear student, this is equal 0 to pi by 2 cos square x by 4 into 1 4 minus 4 cos square x plus cos square x minus 3 cos square x, 4 minus 3 cos square x dx, my dear students. Now numerator denominator have equal powers, that's why compulsory this is improper. F of x by g of x is equal to q of x plus remainder by g of x. Now division going on. Cos square x is divisible by 4 minus 3 cos square x. Okay, here minus 3 cos square x means here cos square x is there, must and should it will goes to minus 1 by 3 times. Okay, my dear students, minus into minus plus 1 by 3. Okay, 4 into minus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3, minus into minus plus, what happened, 3 into 1 by 3, 3 cos square x into 1 by 3 means this is 100% cos square x. What happened, subtraction, this is plus, this is minus, these two are cancelled. What is the remaining, 4 by 3. How to write this is equal to, now 0 to pi by 2 f of x by g of x. What is the formula of f of x by g of x? F of x by g of x is equal to quotient means minus 1 by 3 plus remainder means 4 by 3 by g of x, 4 minus 3 cos square x dx. Okay, my dear students, this is equal to 0 to pi by 2 minus 1 by 3 is constant, write down minus 1 by 3 dx plus here 4 by 3 is the constant, 0 to pi by 2 1 by 4 minus 3 cos square x dx. This type already I explained, whenever 1 by a plus b cos square x or a minus b cos square x, this is first observe that minus 1 by 3 into integral of dx means x. What are the limits, 0 to pi by 2. Okay, my dear students. Okay, plus now in this type compulsory the numerator denominator is multiplying with secant square x. What happened, this one 4 by 3 0 to pi by 2 secant square x by 4 secant square x minus 3 into secant square x into cos square x, that is 1 into dx. Now denominator, in the denominator if the secant square x have, we write the 1 plus tan square x. Okay, this is what happened, this is minus 1 by 3 into x value 100% pi by 2, lower limit is 0, this is pi by 2. Okay, only pi by 2 plus 4 by 3 into integral 0 to pi by 2 secant square x by 4 into this is 1 plus tan square x. Okay, now substitute tan x is equal to t. What happened, secant square x dx is equal to t. Only second limit, not first limit. This value is equal to t. Now lower limit, x value 0 means t is equal to tan 0. Tan 0 means 0. Upper limit, x value pi by 2 means t value tan 90. Tan 90 means infinity. Now this is minus pi by 6 plus 4 by 3 into 0 to infinity secant square x dx. Secant square x dx means dt by 4 into 1 plus t square means 4 into 1 plus t square, 4 plus 4t square minus 3 dx, 100% already completed. Now minus pi by 6 plus 4 by 3 integral 0 to infinity dt by 4t square plus 1. Okay, my dear students, next step that is equal to minus pi by 6 plus 4 by 3 integral 0 to infinity dt by 4t square, write as 2t square plus 1. Now that is equal to minus pi by 6 plus 4 by 3 1 by x square plus a square means tan inverse of x, 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse of t, t means 2t. Okay, by 2, you know why I am writing by 2, y means 2t derivative is 2. Now that is equal to minus pi by 6 plus 4 by 3 into What is the upper limit? Infinity. Here 1 by 2 is there. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are, no problem at all. This is right, 2 by 3. Okay, my dear students. Now tan inverse of 2 into infinity means infinity minus tan inverse of 0. Whenever you get the tan infinity means minus pi by 6 plus 2 by 3 into pi by 2. This value is 0, 100%. 2 cancel. Minus pi by 6 plus pi by 3. How much, my dear students? Minus 30 plus 60 means 30 degrees means pi by 6. What is going on? I is equal to pi by 6. In this way, we will complete the total problem. I hope that you understood the problem. Okay, my dear students, the next problem is going on. Integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 sin x plus cos x by root 2 over sin 2x. Already in definite integral, I was explained how to write the sin 2x. You know very well, I think. How to write the sin 2x? 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. Already I explained this one. Expand this one. 1 minus of a minus b whole square formula, sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. Sin square x plus cos square x, 1 means 1, minus into minus plus, 2 sin x cos x means sin 2x. Okay, my dear students, you remember this formula. Sin 2x is equal to 100% 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. 100%. I hope that you remember this formula. What is the, how to write the sin 2x? Now sin 2x is equal to, we will write as, why I am writing here means this derivative must and should occurs here. Sin x derivative cos x minus cos x derivative minus sin x means plus sin x. This one. This derivative, this one. Denominator derivative occurs in the numerator. You know very well. That's why I am telling you. That is equal to pi by 6 into pi by 6 pi by 4. Numerator sin x plus cos x by root over. What happened this one? 1 minus of sin x minus cos x whole square dx. Okay, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. What happened here? Now observe that this one is equal to t per suppose. Sin x minus cos equal to means this total is dt. Okay, observe that. Let sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Now integration derivative of sin x means cos x minus cos x derivative minus sin x means plus sin x. X differentially is dx is equal to dt, my dear students. Now substitute the limits. Lower limit in the lower limit, x value is equal to how much? 30 degrees, pi by 6. X value 30 degrees means t is equal to, here sin 30 1 by 2 minus cos 30 root 3 by 2. That equal to 1 minus root 3 by 2. No problem at all. That equal to minus of root 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students. Root 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, no problem. Next, upper limit. What happened upper limit? In the same way, x is equal to pi by 3. Now t is equal. What happened? Here sin 60. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That equal root 3 minus 1 by 2, my dear students. Now is equal limits. Lower limit 1 minus root 3 by 2. Upper limit root 3 minus, not same. Okay. Here total dt by root over 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square. Integral of 1 by 1 minus x square. That equals sin inverse of t. Sin inverse of t. What are the limits? Root 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus root 3 by 2. What happened this one? Upper limit write down. That equals sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2 minus sin inverse of 1 minus root 3 by 2. Here taken common minus sin inverse of minus x. Sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse of x. Okay. Taken common minus, this is plus sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2. Both are same. This one same. That is equal to sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, next question. Integral of 0 to 1 dx by root of 1 plus x minus root x. Okay, how to do this problem? Now we will do this problem. First rationalize the denominator. After that we will get the answer. That is equal to, how to do this one? Integral 0 to 1 1 by root of 1 plus x minus root x. What is the rationing factor of this one? Means root over 1 plus by root x by root over 1 plus x plus root x dx. Okay, my dear students, that is equal to integral of 1 into that one means root over 1 plus x plus root x by a plus b into a minus b. A minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. 1 plus x minus x dx. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will go to plus x minus x cancel. Here, root of 1 plus x plus root x dx. Okay, my dear students. What is going on? Root x. Integral of root x means 2 by 3 x root x or 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. Here limits 100% 0 to 1 is there. 0 to 1 is there. That equal to, what is the answer is going on? Root x means 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. Limits 0 to 1. Plus again root x is there. 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. Limits 0 to 1. Okay, my dear students. Now substitution is going on. 2 by 3 into x value is 1. 1 plus 1 means 2 power 3 by 2 minus x value 0. 1 power 3 by 2 means 1 plus 2 by 3 into x value is 1 minus 0. That equal, what happened? 2 power 3 by 2 means 2 into 2 root 2. 2 by 3 into 2 root 2. Okay, my dear students. Okay. 2 root 2 minus 1 plus 2 by 3. Here plus 2 by, okay, 4 root 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This one cancel. What is the answer? 4 root 2 by 3. This is I is equal to. Okay. In this way, we will do the problems. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. What is the problem? Integral 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by 19 plus 16 sin 2x. Very, very important question, my dear students. Very, 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 very important now. Okay. Here 100% already I explained. Sin 2x is the numerator, sin x plus cos x is there. How to write sin 2x? You know that sin 2x is equal to 100%, you will write 1 minus of sin x minus cos x whole square. Yeah, you know very well or not, I think. Yeah. Sin 2x here, write down. Now, after that substitution, 100% you will write sin x minus cos x is equal to t. What happened? Okay, first you will write 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by 9 plus 16 into sin 2x 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square dx. I hope that you understood or not. Very, very important question, my dear students. Okay, go very slowly. You know this formula, 100% you know. Sin 2x means, you know, before problem also I will explain. That equals sin 2x is equal to formula 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. Now this derivative 100% this one. That's why let sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Derivative of sin x means cos x minus cos x derivative minus sin x means plus sin x whole dx is equal to dt, my dear students. Sin x plus cos x, numerator must and should dt. Now we discuss about the lower limit. Lower limit means x value 0. When x value 0, t is equal to sin 0 0 cos 0 1, that is minus 1. Upper limit x value is pi by 4 sin 45 1 by root 2 minus cos 45 1 by root 2, that implies t is equal to 0. What are the limits is going on? Minus 1 to 0. Now clearly it is minus 1 to 0. Sin x plus cos x means dx means dt by 9 plus 16 into 1 minus this value is t means t square, that equal to integral minus 1 to 0 dt by 9 plus 16 minus 16 t square, that equal to minus 1 to 0 dt by 25 minus 16 t square, my dear students, that equal to minus 1 to 0 dt by 5 square minus 4t whole square. What is the formula is going on? 1 by 1 by a square minus x square dx formula, my dear students. That is equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. Okay, that is equal to integral 1 by 2a. Okay, 2a, a value is 5, into log of a plus x, 5 plus 40 by 5 minus 40 divided by 4. Why, you know very well, 40 derivative is 4, that is minus 1 to 0. That is equal 1 by 40 here, 1 by 40, 2 into 5, 10, 10 4s are 40. Upper limit is 0, write down upper limit is log of 5 plus 0, 5, 5 minus 0, 5, 5 by 5 means 1 minus lower limit is minus 1, log of t value is minus 1, 5 minus 4, 1 by 5 plus 4 means 9. Okay, my dear students, that is equal to what happened, 1 by 40, log 1 is 0 minus that is equal, observe that, log of 1 by 9. What the formula is going on, minus log x, that equal log of 1 by x. Whenever we write the 1 by x, minus cancel. Here in this way, minus log 1 9 is nothing but the log 9 plus log 9. 1 by 40 into log 9. Log 9 means, what about log 9? 3 square. 1 by 40 into log 3 square. 3 square means 2 log 3. 2 log 3. 2 by 40 into log 3. That is equal to 1 by 20 log 3. This is I is equal to 1 by 20 log 3, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x into tan inverse of sin x dx. Here tan inverse of sin x is there. Now sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x. Okay, sin x is equal to cos x dx is equal to dt. Okay, some hope is there. Now observe that, integral 0 to pi by 2. Now sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x, 2 in front of right, sin x into cos x, tan inverse of sin x dx. Okay, my dear students, here suppose sin x is equal to sin x derivative cos x dx means totally dt. Okay, let sin x is equal to cos x dx is equal to dt. This cos x dx means dt. Okay, what happened, this one, upper limits lower limit will change. Okay, x value is equal to 0, that implies t value is 0, sin 0 0, x value 90, that implies t value is equal to 1, sin 90 is 1, 2 into integral 0 to 1. Here sin x means how much, sin x means t. Okay, my dear students, now cos x dx 100%, cos x dx means dt. Here tan inverse of t, that is dt. Now product of the two functions is there, means compulsory by parts. By parts means which one is the function highlight, inverse is the first. This is f of t, this is g of t. You know that very well. Okay, my dear students, how to? First, here f of t is equal to tan inverse of t. Okay, g of t is equal to t. This derivative, this integration, f dash of t you know very well, 1 by 1 plus t square. G dash of t is equal to integral of g of t dt is equal to t square by 2. Now substitute, what the formula is going on, that equal 2 into first f of x means tan inverse of t into t square by 2 minus integral 1 by 1 plus t square into t square by 2 dt. Now we multiply 1 by 2 taken common, here 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 is there, 2 cancel, 100% 2 cancel, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not, 100% right. Okay, here right, here 100% limits is, for suppose here totally this one, here limits under, here integration completed means here limits are what, here 0 to 1, here 100% 0 to 1. Now these two do to cancel, what is the remaining terms here, 2 in these two also including this one, these two to cancel, these two to cancel. Now first I will do this one. Okay, cancel. Okay, now here first observe that here upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. Upper limit is 1 means tan inverse of 1 into 1 square. Tan inverse of 1 into 1 square means what is that one? Here upper limit is tan inverse of 1. 1 square. 1 square means 1. Tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4. Only this value is pi by 4. Total this value. Lower limit, write the 0 means 0 into something 0. Okay. Minus integral 0 to 1. This is t square by 1 plus t square, my dear students. This is dt. Now t square is divided by 1 plus t square. How many times? 1 time. 1 plus t square. Now subtraction, minus these two is minus. F of x by g of is equal f of x quotient minus remainder by this one, that is equal pi by 4 minus integral 0 to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus t square, that is equal pi by 4 minus integral of 1 dt means t minus tan inverse of t. What are the limits? 0 to 1. Now that is equal pi by 4 minus upper limit is 1 minus pi by 4 minus 0 0, total 0. What happened? Pi by 4 minus 1 plus pi by 4, 45 plus 45, 90 minus 1. This value is equal I is equal this one, pi by 2 minus 1, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. This is very important problem for examination point of view. X tan x by secant x plus tan x over the integral 0 to pi. Okay, here first we apply the one of the property. What is the property is going on, my dear students? Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to, okay, we know the property. Now apply the property, that one. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to, the formula is 0 to a f of a minus x dx, my dear students. I hope that you know this formula. Yeah, a minus x, a means here pi minus x. Okay, observe that step by step you will write. Integral 0 to pi, here x value is pi minus x, tan of pi minus x. Okay, tan of pi minus x by secant of pi minus x plus again tan of pi minus x dx. First we write the just formula. Now after that what happened, this one integral 0 to pi minus x into, actually here observe that tan of 180 minus theta second coordinate, that is the minus tan theta. Here secant of 180 minus theta minus, here minus. Then now taken the common denominator minus, numerator already minus is there, minus cancel. Okay, I hope that understood or not. Otherwise we will write here minus tan x by, here denominator minus secant x plus minus tan x dx. Now taken the common in the denominator, minus, already denominator minus is there, this minus total cancel. What are the remaining terms? 0 to pi into, here pi minus cancel, pi into tan x, pi into tan x, okay, pi into tan x minus x tan x by secant x plus tan x dx. Now separation is going on. Separation means what happens? Separation, I is equal to, here pi is constant, pi into 0 to pi tan x by secant x plus tan x. Okay, my dear students. Now dx minus x tan x by secant x plus tan x dx, here limits 0 to pi. This second part value, this total value is equal I. This total part is equal, observe that this one same. This is minus I this side 2i. Now I is equal to pi into 0 to pi. You write as tan x means sin x by cos x by 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x dx. This is minus I. Minus I this side is 2i is equal to pi into, now denominator LCM, numerator LCM cancel. Okay, sin x by 1 plus cos sin x, integral 0 to pi. What happened? This one sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Now rationalize, 1 minus numerator now multiplying with 1 minus sin square x, we get the answer. Pi into 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x dx, my dear students. Okay, now pi into integral of 0 to pi sin x minus sin square x by denominator is a plus b into a minus b. 1 minus sin square x means denominator must include cos square x dx. Okay, that is equal to pi into integral 0 to pi separation sin by cos square, sin by cos square, sin by cos means tan, 1 by cos means secant, that is secant x into tan x minus sin square x by cos square x, sin square x by cos square x means tan square x. You know the formula of tan square x means tan x minus 1, tan x minus x. Okay, you know very well, I think. Now integration pi into integral of secant x into tan x means secant x minus integral of tan square x. Already explained lot of times. Integral of tan square x means tan x minus x. Okay, my dear students, tan x minus, in front of minus is there means minus tan x plus x. Already applied the formula. Okay, now 0 to pi. Now slowly you write the values. Pi into secant pi minus tan pi plus pi. Okay, this is upper limit minus lower limit secant 0 minus tan 0 plus 0. Now pi into cos pi is minus 1 means secant pi is minus 1, tan pi is 0 plus pi. Here minus secant 0 is 1 minus 0, total 0. Okay, pi into here minus 1, here minus 1, total. Okay, bracket is pi into. Okay, this is what happened, this one pi minus 2. Okay, here this is minus 1 means minus 2, pi is there. Okay, this is 2i, my dear students. Therefore I is equal to pi by 2 into pi minus 2. This is the required answer. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Integral of 1 by x square into x plus 1. Denominator power is x cube. Numerator x square into x means x cube. Numerator power is 0. That is the proper fraction. First, it is split into the partial fractions. What is given here? 1 by x square into x plus 1 is given. Here x plus 1 are the linear factors. X is repeated 2 times. Means a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 1. Now 1 by x square into x plus 1. Now LCM is x square into x plus 1. What happened here? A x, how many times in this one? X square plus 1 means x into x plus 1 times. A x into x plus 1 plus x square cancel means b into x plus 1 plus c x square. Now put the this one cancel, my dear students. 1 is equal ax x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c x square. Okay, my dear students. Now first, what is the linear factor here? X value is 0. Put x value is equal to 0. Okay, now 1 is equal to 0 0. B into 0 plus 1 means b. B value is equal to 1, my dear students. Now put is equal, x is equal to minus 1. Here minus 1 0 0, minus 1 whole square. Okay, therefore c value is also 1. 1 is equal, this one 0 minus 1 whole square. Next, coefficient of x square, my dear students. This side 0, this side is 0. Ax into x, ax square means a plus here nothing, x square coefficient is c. Now a is equal to minus c. Therefore a is equal to how much? Minus 1. Now substitute these values. Okay, therefore I is equal to integral of 1 to 3. This value is equal to this one, a by minus 1 by x plus b 1 by x square plus c 1 by x plus 1 dx. Now integration, now going on the integration, minus here integral of 1 by x means log x, limits 1 2 3. Here 1 by x square, integral of 1 by x square means minus 1 by x, limits 1 2 3 100%. This is log of mod x plus 1, limits 1 2 3. No problem, totally we will write take time, no problem at all. What happened this one? Minus of log 3 minus log 1. Log 1 means 0. Don't write it. Okay, what happened this one? 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, my dear students. Plus, what happened this one? Log 3 plus 1, 4 minus log 2. This is minus log 3. Okay, minus log 3 okay, my dear students. This is 1 by 3 minus 1 means minus 2 by 3. Already minus is there, plus 2 by 3 plus log a minus log b means log a by b. 4 by 2 means 2. Here also observe that this is 2 by 3. First, this is log a minus log b. Log a minus log b means log a by b. Okay, this is I. I is equal 2 by 3 plus log 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus log 2 by 3. Okay, my dear students. Now next question. We are going to the next question. What is the question? Question number 35. Now integral 0 to 1 x into e power x dx. You have to show that is equal to 1. I. No problem at all. Exponential function is the last. F of x into g of x, my dear students. I late L-A-T-E. This is f of x, this is g of x. Okay, first f of x into integral of e power x means e power x minus derivative of x means 1. Integral of e power x means e power x dx. X into e power x minus e power x. What are the limits? 0 to 1, my dear students. Here also 0 to 1. Okay, here completed means 0 to 1. Overall 0 to 1, my dear students. Okay, the limits is 0 to 1. Write down the 0 to 1. What happened this one? 0 to 1. Here 1 right means e minus e minus 0 right. 0 into something, 0 minus e power 0. This value is 0 minus 1, that equal to 1, my dear students. Next question, question number 36. Okay, integral of minus 1 to 1 x power 17 into cos power 4x dx. Already morning I explained, whenever the limits minus a to type 100% even or odd check. What is f of x is given clearly here. F of x is equal to x power 17 into cos power. Here cos power 4. Any cos function should cos of minus theta cos theta means this is even function, no problem. But x power 17 is there. F of minus x is equal to minus x power 17 means minus x power 17 into cos power 4 of minus x means x. This is minus f of x means this is which function? Odd function. Whenever it is the odd function, the answer must and should is equal to 0. Okay, what happened this one? Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin cube x dx. Now actually sin cube x formula you know very well. What is the formula of sin cube x? Sin 3x formula. 3 sin x minus sin cube x. 3 sin x minus sin cube x. From this one sin cube x this side. 3 sin x, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 4 sin cube. This side 4 sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Now sin 3x, sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, my dear students, 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Now substitute the values. What happened? What is going on? Here 1 by 4 is the constant. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. Now integration, what is going on? Integration 1 by 4 into integral of 0, sorry, integration will do it. Integral of 3 sin x means minus 3 cos x. Already sin 3x integration minus cos 3x. Already minus is there means plus cos 3x by 3, 0 to pi by 2. Okay, my dear students, 1 by 4 into cos 90 is 0, my dear students. Cos 90 is 0, cos 270 also 0. Upper limit is pi by 2, substitute. Minus 3 cos 90 plus cos 3 pi by 2 by 3. This is upper limit is over. Minus lower limit is minus 3 cos 0 plus cos 3 into 0 cos 0 by 3. 1 by 4 into here cos 90 is 0, cos 270 is 0, total value is 0, minus of cos 0 1 means minus 3 plus cos 0 means 1, that is 1 by 3. Here 1 by 4 into minus 9 plus 1, minus 9 plus 1 means minus 8 by, already minus is there, means plus 8 by 3. 4 1s are 4 2s are, what is the answer? 2 by 3. Then equal I is equal to 2 by 3. In this way we will do the problems, my dear students. Next we are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Integral of 2 tan cube x into pi by 4. Now 2 is the constant, we write in front of the integration, that equal 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4, write as tan x into tan square x dx. Okay, now that is equal 2 into 0 to pi by 4 tan x into tan square x means secant square x minus 1 dx. Okay, now 2 into 0 to pi by 4 multiply inside tan x into secant square x minus tan x. Okay, now what happened, this one, observe the 2 into 2 100% is there, this is f of x, this is f dash of x, tan x derivative secant square x, f of x whole power n into f dash of x, formula f of x whole power n plus 1 means this answer is tan square x by 2. Okay, minus integral of tan x means minus log mod cos x, or means plus log mod cos x. What are the limits is going on? 0 to pi by 4. Now upper limit is 45 per suppose 2 into, okay, 45, tan 45 means 1 by 2 plus log cos 45 1 by root 2, this is upper limit, minus lower limit actually 0, tan 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, log 1 is total 0. Now what happened, now 2 into means 2 into 2 cancel, 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 plus 2 into this value is log of 1 by x means minus log root 2, log of 1 by x is equal to minus log x, that equal 1 minus 2 into log root 2 means 2 power 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 in front, 2 into 1 by 2, 2 cancel means 1 minus 2 log 2, that is equal I is equal 1 minus, okay, no, in this one 1 by 2 and 2 cancel, okay, 1 minus log 2 only, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? Integral of sin inverse of x dx, integral 0 to 1. Already we know the formula of sin inverse of x dx integral, that equal x into sin inverse of x plus root over 1 minus x square, limits 0 to 1. Now upper limit, this is the formula for this one, upper limit is 1 into sin inverse of 1 means 90 degrees, sin inverse of 1 plus 1 minus 1 means 0, lower limit is close, upper limit is close, lower limit 0 into something 0 plus root of 1 minus 0 means 1, that equal 5 by 2 minus 1, this is I value, I is equal to pi by 2 minus 1, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. If f of a plus b minus x is equal to f of x, then a to b x into f of x dx is equal to, first let I is equal to, you have to find this one and this one, a to b x into f of x. One property is there, you know the property, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to, you know the property, same limits, adding a plus b minus x means f of a plus b minus, you know the formula or not? Yes, here dx, same formula you can apply, instead of x we write a plus b minus x. Now integral a to b, instead of x a plus b minus x into f of a plus b minus x, here dx is there. Okay, my dear students, just I am applying the formula. Here already clearly given f of a plus b minus x is equal, clearly given what is given, f of x is given, integral of a to b f a plus b minus x into, this is 100% f of x dx. Okay, my dear students, now integral a to b a plus b into f of x multiply, okay, minus x into f of x dx. Now separation is going on, integral a to b a plus b into f of x dx minus integral a to b x into f of x into dx. This is total I. Here I is there. This is equal to 100%. What happened? This is also I. Okay, this I is I. Minus I this side. This is I means minus I this side 2I. 2I is equal to a plus b is the constant. A plus b into integral a to b f of x dx. Now here I is equal to what happened? A plus b by 2 into integral a to b f of x dx. Very very important for objective point of view, my dear students. Listen carefully each and every problem. Okay, my dear students. Okay, next problem is integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of 2x minus 1 by 1 plus x minus x square, my dear students. Now you know the formula. Okay, once observe that what is going on. 0 to 1 tan inverse of, here 2x write as x plus x minus 1. For suppose this is a, this is b. Tan inverse of a plus b by tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, means by 1 minus. Now taken common minus x we can take in common. Minus x means x minus 1. I hope that you hope that or not. This is minus x square. Okay, minus into minus plus x. You get this one. Okay, what the formula is going on? Tan inverse of x, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. That is called formula tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Now that is equal integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of x minus 1 dx. This is equation number 1. Now you know the formula 0 to a f of x dx. 0 to a f of a minus x dx, my dear students. Instead of x you write a minus. A means 1 minus x. What happened here? 0 to 1 tan inverse of x means 1 minus x minus tan inverse of, here x means what happened this one 100%. You write the, instead of x you write okay, my dear students, here okay, tan inverse of, okay, observe that here tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy formula, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of, my dear students, this is plus. Okay, this is also what happened, tan inverse of x minus, first of all minus taken common. Okay, okay, now in this one minus taken common, tan inverse of 1 minus x. Instead of x we can write, how to write this one, 1 minus x. Yeah, here first we will take in the minus, means tan inverse of minus x means minus tan inverse of 1 minus x, 1 minus x, but instead of you write, instead of x you write 1 minus x. Otherwise no need of the common minus term. Observe that no need of the common minus. So this same way now apply this formula 0 to 1 tan inverse of, here formula is 100%. Instead of x means 1 minus x plus tan inverse of, here x means 1 minus x minus 1 dx. No problem at all. Okay, integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x, here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Tan inverse of minus x means minus tan inverse of x. No, right. Okay, question number 2. Here 100%. Observe that here we will take the common. Okay, no problem at all. Now this is I, adding 1 and 2. Now 2i is equal to, now taken common 0 to 1. First one is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of, what is that, x minus 1. Okay, plus tan inverse of 1 minus x minus tan inverse of x dx. This is minus plus cancel. In this one, this is x minus 1, this is 1 minus x. Taken common minus, these two also cancel. 2i is equal to 0. Means I is equal to 0 by 2. That equals 0. I is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. Okay. Now I hope that the topic was completed. Tomorrow I will start the some important questions, previous examination questions After that I will start the applications of the definite integrals. Okay, my dear students. Next chapter is very important for the board exams. Thank you one and all.